Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to take you through what I'm eating whilst I'm working and on the go. As you guys know, I'm currently in LA with the Tone and Sculpt team for 2 weeks. So that means I cannot afford to literally get off track. Whenever I'm traveling, I think it goes for everyone, whenever someone is traveling or is out of routine, they tend to eat what they can find or what they want, and then they say, oh, when I get back to my routine, you know, I'll just go back to eating well. That is not the case for me. I have lots of shoots coming up. I have to be sustainable. I have to be consistent. I can't just binge eat for 2 weeks and then go back to the UK and get back on track. So we are eating good nutritional food. Remember, consistency and sustainability is key. And I also feel like every single time I'm recording a YouTube video, I have a different hairstyle. I'm the most indecisive human being there ever existed. So if you're an OG, what hairstyle do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Because I think in my last one I ate in a day, I had a really slick back, kind of big hoop, kind of earring vibe going on. And today it's just crazy. First things first, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, which supports your girl. And we are now going to make breakfast for myself and Holly. And yeah, so breakfast coming up. Welcome back to Cooking with Krissy. Everybody always thinks I forget to do that, and then I shock you by doing that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be making. Today, I'm gonna be making some oats with some protein powder. Who is she? Who is that? Is that me? Oh, I think so. This is coming out real soon, guys. It's the chocolate fudge brownie collaboration with myself and Women's Best. So I'm gonna be making some oats with protein powder and then topping it off with some frozen berries and most likely a little bit of peanut butter just for some healthy fats. And then aside of that, I'm gonna be making some eggs with some spinach and a bit of onion. I add onion and garlic to pretty much absolutely everything. It changes. Oh yes, girl. Oh yes, here I am sniffing an onion on my own in a kitchen. Yes, that's me. So that's what I'm gonna be making. Protein, carbohydrates, and also a little bit of peanut butter for some healthy fats. As you can see here, I like my meals. I'm a big healthy girl. We gotta eat, you know, we gotta eat out here. I'm not gonna tell you not to eat. You wanna reach your goals, you eat your food. Here's the problem, here's the issue. When you're in an Airbnb, you don't know when anything is. So it'll take me about 20 minutes to find the pots and pans. Holly! 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 What the? Where the fuck was that? Where were the pots and pans? Bottom corner? Right where I was? Oh, why won't you look at this? All the pots and all the pans. Found pots and pans. Okay, so breakfast is done with, and we are now heading over to the women's best shoot. This is the outfit I'm wearing today, but I'm obviously not wearing this on set. I'm just getting to set with this. This is an NFL, I think this is NFL vintage jumper I found at a vintage store. These jeans, the denim shorts, are from Urban Outfitters. Yeah, this is the BDG. There we go. Love these shorts. And then shoes, I have to wear these shoes for the actual shoot. But if I wasn't wearing these shoes, I would be wearing these ones. Now, can we just imagine? Imagine it. Visualize it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. But my voice has got all like croaky and really heavy because of all the traveling. I just got a really bad throat on the plane because of the cold, and now I just sound so deep, like so deep. So I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, I got these shoes yesterday. What are we thinking? I know some people are going to say they look like bowling shoes, but I think they actually look so cool and sick. Oh, love them. And then you got your classic Converse, Vans. These are Y3s. I bought these recently, actually. I like these. I know some people are going to hate them. Oh, the classics. And then some Doc Martens. And up there are heels. Things that I never really wear. So look at all this. All flats, flat, flat. And then some random heels up there. Listen, I don't know about you, girl, but I ain't going to break my neck wearing heels. I want something comfortable, sustainable and consistent. Okay, so we arrived on set. I still have to change. I don't want to change. It's actually really cold in LA. I always come when it's cold, and I always say that. I always come when it's cold. But we have all the snacks. A snack a day to keep the hunger away. Some bananas, some oranges. Look at Holly giving me the snacks. Thank you, prop queen. And then we went to Whole Foods when we landed, and we got some made good vanilla crispy squares. Yeah, so I have snacks whilst I'm on set because I try not to eat like rubbish because I'll get bloated. And I always carry snacks with me everywhere I go anyway, because I just think if you're carrying good, you know, a bit of something as opposed to just grabbing a chocolate bar or grabbing a piece of cake like this. Oh, it looks naughty, that does. Then it's just a little bit better. So that's what I'm gonna have, and then we're gonna have lunch after shooting with Sam. Oh, he's back. Holly,
What coffee do you want?
oh, do they have coconut milk? Oh, then I'll have a coconut cappuccino, please, dear. Someone said to me, oh, you two should start dating, as in me and Holly. And I replied back going, honey, after all the precious time that we've spent invested in all the wrong men, it is time for me and Holly to just chase our goals, support each other's goals, be best friends, travel the world together, and just be together. And let me tell you something, I am so much more happier because men will literally come and go. Like, you come, you go, goodbye. You have potential, goodbye. Friendship, it remains. Family, it remains. Okay? Okay, am I speaking to you, sister? Okay, so we're back at the Airbnb. As you guys saw, we had lunch out. We went to Tender Greens. I had some chicken and Holly had salmon, and I had it with Brussels sprouts, which are absolutely, oh my god. Me and Brussels sprouts were best friends, I'm sure. Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, spinach, and then I had a bit of bread with it as well. It's about 5 p.m. right now. We're literally gonna head on out to Santa Monica and train at Equinox. Oh my God, guys, I forgot to show you my new tattoo. Don't ask questions to why it's white like that. And also another thing is my skin's really broken out, but it's because I'm doing round 2 of Roaccutane. I'll go into it another day. Let's not discuss it right now, okay? But I got a new tattoo. It says always on it right there. And I'm gonna get forever on my neck here. I have the word growth on my neck, but that faded. So I'm gonna write forever on it. And then always here, always and forever. So I got that done in New York. So before I go to the gym, you know when you open the fridge, you just feel like you've entered heaven. Oh, Holly, do you want a snack? She's like, yes. So before I go to the gym, I'm actually gonna have a little bit of Greek yogurt with, I'll show you guys, some apple cinnamon granola, which I love. I love this one from Whole Foods, but you can make your own, you know. I'm just being a little bit lazy. With some organic honey, and then me and Holly will half a banana in that as well, because you know, that's more than enough food. So by the time we eat this and we train, it would have been like 45 minutes. So that's a good amount of time. Actually, change of plans. We're gonna put strawberries in it. We're gonna put fucking strawberries in it, guys. Strawberries, there we go. That's what we're having for a snack, pre-workout. Greek yogurt, granola, honey, and some strawberries. A lot of people are like, do you eat before the gym? Do you not? Personally, I just love food. I don't care when I eat it. If I'm hungry, I need to eat. So I don't really think about it much, but if you're someone who feels sick during your workout when you eat, then maybe have something light like a banana. If you're someone who gets a bit faint and lightheaded, I do on leg days, if I haven't eaten much during the day, then listen, I'm gonna need me some fuel, I'm gonna need me some calories in my body. As you guys see, I eat, like I love food, and I eat good food. I'm not eating just junk just to get my calories in. I'm eating proper, wholesome, nutritional food. So I'm gonna make some rice, some vegetables, so some mushrooms, some asparagus and broccoli, onion for some flavor again, and then some chicken. I'm also making enough for everyone who's over there. There's tons of people here because we're all shooting for Toner's Sculpt. Okay guys, so here we have chicken, some broccoli, asparagus cooked in onion, and as you guys saw, olive oil, some rice with chicken broth as well. I made some for everyone. See, that was so quick. Honestly, Sasha, how long did it take me to cook for real?
5 minutes.
Okay, not 5 minutes.
I would say 15 minutes.
Literally 15 minutes.
Not more.
No more. No more, honey, no more. So 15 minutes. And look, you have this leftover, and if I made more chicken, this leftover. That's meal prep right there. So stop making excuses. So this is what I'm gonna have. So, see you in a jiffy. So, that is it, guys, for today's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. And honestly, I love showing you guys what I eat throughout the day because I feel like, oh my god, I just feel like there's so many things out there, especially in the fitness industry, that just makes you feel like you gotta be eating these green smoothie bowls with random granola and I don't know, just random stuff. And it's like, no, I just want to eat some proper, good, wholesome food. I want to cook for the people I love. I want to enjoy my life and I want to be present. And that's just me, and I mean no offense to green smoothie bowls because they are great. But you know what I'm trying to say, right? Well, I hope you know what I'm trying to say. I'm really excited because I have lots of YouTube ideas. And I know that I've been so crappy on YouTube, and that's honestly because I've been working non-stop. Look at me, I look crazy. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys know I love you always and forever, and I'm going to catch you in the next YouTube video. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Stop. I need to look at the stains everywhere. I'm so sorry. See ya.